Alright guys, as you can see, here is a video of the pop-up reservoir, which is a slow release valve that we use in order to take the water that comes out of the gutter downspouts that we tie up under the ground and make sure that it doesn't just come rushing up out of that pipe, but rather it has a slow release valve that allows for it to come up about 4 inches, and then that water is dispersed back into the landscape. So these are some of the ways in which we really solve landscape drainage problems, by not only being able to take that water up under the ground and do so most effectively, but most importantly being able to use what's called a pop-up that allows that water to be slow released back onto the landscape. And anytime, guys, you take water at least 25 to 50 feet in a black pipe, a 4-inch pipe, you're going to be holding a lot of water as well. So it doesn't say that you would see anywhere near the amount of water that just would have came out of the gutter downspout without the pipe. And we're hardly going to see a lot of water come out of here, but it definitely says that we would rather this be the case, because it also keeps any critters or anything that could possibly have a potential to affect our piping system. No longer is that the case. As you can see, it remains closed until we find ourselves with the pressure coming from the gutter downspouts in order to pop it up. We're gonna put our grass back around here. It's gonna look absolutely beautiful, and it's gonna almost look as if we were never even here. All brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Landscape Drainage Solutions, where we leave your worries down the drain.